Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon Michelle, and in today's video I'm back with another headband wig, and this one is in collaboration with Beautyforeverhair. I'm pretty sure y'all heard of them on YouTube. I've heard of them, so when they reached out to me I was like, of course I want to do a headband wig tutorial with y'all hair. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post, and let's just get into it. So this is their packaging, really cute. And of course I got a wig, headband wig. So it comes with wig cap, but I already have one on, so I'm just gonna save that. It comes with some different headbands, so I'll be showing you guys these later on in the video. And then of course the headband wig itself. And if you guys didn't know, oh yeah, I got some super long hair this time. I forgot what I had even got. Oh my god, I got some long hair. If you guys haven't already heard of headband wigs, basically you can do anything with these, and it just has a headband already attached to it, which makes the application process so easy. And like, I just protect my hair underneath and just let it grow now. My hair's been growing crazy wearing these headband wigs, and there's another headband in there. So this is the hair. It's like a loose wave, really long. Yeah, I got some long hair this time. I got some inches. This kind of looks like a water wave kind of texture, really cute. And then it has the headband already attached to it, and this one has like the regular kind of combs in it, so it can just attach to your head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. Okay y'all, so that's what I ordered. This is water wave, and it is in 26 inches. I have never worn no 26-inch hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on. Okay, and it's on that fast. Ooh, girl. I feel like a mermaid. Like, this is some mermaid hair. Okay, so I'm gonna just get the band on closer. The band that's already on here attached, this one is made really good. Sometimes on the headband wigs, sometimes the bands don't be made as good, but this one's made really good. I'm just pulling it back some, but y'all, beautiful hair, beautiful hair. So it comes like to the middle of my stomach when it's on. This is how long the hair is, y'all. 26 inches. Just I've never worn 26-inch hair, but it looks so cute on. Like, this is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead now and show you guys what it looks like with the different headbands on. Of course you can wet this hair and get it even more defined than this, but I tend to like the natural texture when it comes out the box. But when you wet this hair, of course it's just going to get a bit more defined. But this is so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the different headbands real quick. If you guys didn't know, you can do so many different styles with headband wigs. Half up, half down is one of my faves. So this is kind of like what the first headband is looking like. You can put it on over like this if you want to, or you can fully put it on. Sometimes I'll do a little look like this. So that kind of gives you an idea of what this one's looking like. It's so much hair to loop it through, you know, so I'm just gonna give you guys pretty much like an idea. This is another one. I think this is kind of cute, like for Valentine's, like with this little satin and flowers and the pink. I think that's cute as well. They also gave me like a little cheetah one, so this is giving that kind of vibe right there. Really cute. I like that. And then this is like a blue one right here. super cute as well. And then this blue with floral in it. I really like this one. For some reason, it kind of gives me like a fallish kind of vibe. And then this white one with the green is cute as well. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this hair a little bit just so you guys can get like a better idea of how this hair is looking. I'm trying to decide if I want to wear this hair today, because why not just pop out on them? So usually with this kind of hair too, if I'm styling it, I'll only put a leave-in in because it's a looser texture and it doesn't need heavy products. So I'll just usually put like a really light leave-in in it. So right now I'm just spraying a little bit of water to help get the definition going. So as you can see, you'll already see it kind of just getting like more curly looking or more wavy looking, because it is a wave. So those waves are really going to just start to pop. The top of the hair is perfect too, because sometimes the top will look kind of bulky and wig like, but this one they did really good at the top. Sometimes I have to add like extra product to get it to lay at the top, but not with this one. This one's really good, and it's really full thick hair. Like this hair is not skimpy. You get a nice amount of hair, so I like that. I hate when a wig feels thin, especially if it's like a human hair wig. You know, you need some fullness, okay? Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, I couldn't leave y'all without showing y'all it wet. This hair is so gorgeous. Okay. Look at it wet, like so pretty. Okay, so I'm just taking my Rizzo's Curls Refresh and Detangle Spray. I really like this one because it's just so light and you can just apply it to the hair like really easily. It's more like a refresher for your curls, but I feel like it works good as a styler, especially for like water wave type of hair. Oh. Like it's so light, it's perfect for it. Alright y'all, and this is my final look. So freaking cute. I love this hair, really cute. Okay guys, so if you haven't already checked out Beauty Forever Hair, I will have all their information linked down in the description box below. They have a huge variety of different types of headband wigs and other wigs as well, so there's going to be something on there that you like. So definitely check out the description box, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below how you think of this hair, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.